Hello, hope you're doing good. Welcome to my Sublimator print on demand tutorial. In it, I'll be giving you a quick walkthrough of how to use Sublimator platform, and we'll also be looking at the different pros and cons and advantages of this platform. With Sublimator, you can get started for completely free. And one of the standout features of Sublimator is, as you can see right here, they're all over print. It stands out comparing to other print-on-demand platform. But one of the pullbacks that I have with Sublimator is, while it is free to get started, as you can see right here, you will be able to design unlimited products, and you'll also be able to upload and generate mockups and so on. When it comes on to adding products to your store or so, you'll need to go onto their paid plan, and you can see that it works with credit. So for example, if you would like to upload products and publish them, you will need to go onto their paid plan, and you will need to have at least 250 credits, which will cost you $19 per month. Compared to other print-on-demand platforms, for example like Printful or Printify, you don't have to worry about paying if you are a creator. The only time you will be charged anything is unless you decide to order a sample. Well, it isn't like that with this platform, but it is still a good platform that I'll be showing you how to use. So once you're signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, from here you can go over to the top right hand corner and you could select new product. But before doing that, what I would recommend you do is tap on select/publish store, and you're going to simply toggle on right there Sublimator account. After you have toggled it on, you're going to tap on new product in the top right hand corner. After selecting new product, you can tap on all products from the top left hand corner, and you can see that it offers a wide variety of options. Whether you'd like to add your design on footwear, add a plus size, or anything at all, you will have numerous options when it comes onto this platform. Now let's say for example we would like to add our design onto this hoodie right here. All you'll need to do, you can read more about the product right here. Once it is to your liking, you're going to simply tap on create below the product. Then after doing that, you can see select where the product will be published, and you can tap on select right there. After you have done that, you can tap on add from library, or you can choose to upload an image. A good platform to create designs that you can use is Canva, and with Canva you can get a design for completely free. All you'll need to do is go onto canva.com, and from there you can create an account using your email address. Once you have created your account, you will either see t-shirt right below the search bar, or you can simply tap on the search bar and type in t-shirt logo. After you have done that, you can see numerous templates right here. If I were to select t-shirt, that I can choose from, and you can also choose different categories, for example retro, retro party, colorful retro. You can see different options that you can use. So you can simply select one of the templates that you like, then tap on share in the top right hand corner, then select download, then tap on download, and from there you now have your design. I would also recommend that you customize it in some way. Once you're finished, you're going to go back into Sublimator, then you're going to tap on upload image, and you're going to upload the image that you have created. So you can see right there it is being uploaded. Once it is uploaded, all you'll need to do now, you can drag and place it right here. After it has been added, you're going to tap on next. Once you have tapped on next, from here you can select the mockup style that you would like to use. So you can see it provides you with a wide variety of options when it comes on to mockup. And you can select the mockup that you would like to use, let's say this one. Then we're going to tap on generate mockups in the bottom right hand corner. Also, you could generate mockups in the background if you want. We're going to tap on generate mockups right here. After you have tapped on generate mockups, you're going to give it a few seconds. Then you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll be able to edit the description and size. So you're going to tap on next step. Then from here, you can put in your product title and you can edit the description. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on next once more. After tapping on next, from here you can put in the price that you would like to sell it for. And you can see their estimated price is $59, and you can see the profit that you'll be making, the minimum profit and the maximum profit, depending on the country that it is being shipped to. Once it is to your liking, all you'll need to do is tap on the box right here to tick it. Then you can tap on publish in the bottom right hand corner. If we were to tap on publish in the bottom right hand corner, then from here you can see, are you sure you want to submit these items to your store? And if we were to tap on yes, then from there you will now be prompted to add a payment method. And you can see the different pricing points like what I was talking about earlier that you can select.